Hey guys, it's been a minute since my last video, but I've been busy kind of reorganizing my garage. And in that time, I have made some progress off camera, kind of redoing things that I wasn't happy with on the build. So let me show you. I started to remake the neck. Just wasn't happy with how the fretboard ended, the transition to the headstock would have turned out. So I decided to remake it. Basically the same process. I'm not done with this yet. The last thing I did was glue the fretboard on, so I need to trim this down and finish the headstock part up here, but this is the plan going forward. New neck. So this is the workbench I'm building. Ugh, it's on wheels. Definitely not a master carpenter, but it'll do. So the table saw it's going. This is going to be a router table part, but not done yet. But there's one thing I want to do before we move on to finishing this fretboard part is the toothpick I used to align got stuck in there. I was able to pull this one out with only a little bit of pull out there or chip out, whatever. Should be fine, but this one got stuck in there, got glued in, so I'm going to re-drill it on drill press over there. So let's do that real quick. So I probably should just do this with a hand drill, but I'm not going to. I'm going to do it in the drill press just so I know the hole is parallel, perpendicular. And there's no chance, well, there's a smaller chance of messing it up. So I'm just lining up this as best I can. That looks good. Okay, that was not good. It's not tight enough in there. Let's try again. Okay, sorry about the weird camera angle. So we got that drilled out just so the fret can sit in there nicely. Now I move on. Okay, so as you can see, the router table is done. I haven't used it yet, but I just finished building it the other day. Template kind of slipped here, and there, I don't know what happened, but it works, it's stable. So I'm gonna try to finish this fretboard, just making it flush with the neck. I trimmed up a little bit on the bandsaw since I have a new big workbench. It was much easier to trim this, so there's really not that much there in most of this part. So we're gonna trim it up real quick. Wow, that was so much easier. Oops, I actually forgot a little bit on the corner there, but that took what would have taken me on top with a handheld router 10 minutes, maybe, setting it up and being careful. Took like 10 seconds. There was a little bit of almost tear out, where it was a little too thick on one side, but yeah, that is really nice. Cool, so I will clean up this little bit here, and then the fretboard will be ready to sand down, I think. I'll have to think about what to do next, but yeah, I'm gonna clean up this little bit right there. All right, so we're getting ready to finish routing out the neck pocket. I probably could have gotten rid of little these. I might still do it with the chisel or something, or maybe not. But I got the template taped and glued on here. Seems pretty sturdy. I'm just lining this line. It's hard to see, but there's a line on the template. Lining that up with the center line here. And this gives us the neck pocket shape for the guitar. And I'm actually gonna put a little tape on this inside edge here of the template, just so there's some buffer room. Just gives a little bit tighter fit when you actually go to fit the neck in. Not that it matters, this will be a bolt-on neck, but it's nice.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Okay, so I got the first little layer done. Now I'm gonna take off this template and then use the part I've already routed out as a guide instead of using the template, so I can get a little deeper in there. Okay, so I was having some issues with this router, which is a very cheap, like $60 router, where for some reason it went in, even though it started out fine, it went in a tiny bit here. Also, there's just not enough surface area here for me to feel comfortable finishing this right now. So I think we're gonna call it good here and finish this on the next video. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment if you want. And I'll see you next time.